Okay guys, now for the other unboxing, which is this right here. We don't need the bat knife for it. So as you can see right here, this is something really fast. You can see this is basically a desk charger outlet right there. Just put it on the thing like that. Put your outlets here, here. Make sure I got one USB Type C and 3 USBs right here. So this is basically going to go for my MacBook, and the rest of this is going to go for just like regular charging stuff up, or if I want to just use things for data or whatever it may be. So yeah, this is going to clean up my desk because I do have my brick, my extension cord thing, my big one sitting there. I want to clean it up. I'm still waiting for more packages to come. It's coming on later on today, so I got a lot more unboxings to come. I'll be getting rid of this speaker right there because it takes up so much room. I want to move off some of the things that I have on here, and I'm gonna basically just clean everything up with this. So that's basically this right here. I'll put the links in the description, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.